Hello, CS1 2014. Today I will show you my project idea in its demo. I was thinking to add a dice icon to the screen that would give you a random fair place recommendation. After you press the dice icon, it will randomly take an entry from the list, set the new longitude and latitude for that screen, and change the pointer image from green to orange. After you press the orange pointer icon, it will go back to green. Some feature is not working, such as the marker changing from green to orange, but I will show you what works. After you press the dice icon, it will change and give you a random location recommendation. It's kind of hard to see, but I would say it would be easier if it was orange to see the recommendation. I will show you what I added to make this dice button work. In activity main, to add this icon, I had to make it into a button using this code. And to make a button here, I reference our previous code that we made for cancel and save button. So here the button is created, referencing the ID dice. That's what I called my picture. And after it's clicked, there will be a random number generated, and our new geopoint will be made using that random index and setting the longitude latitude, and then setting that to setting the map to that random index that I just got from latitude and longitude. Then I was planning to make a marker, a new marker on top of the green one, and then change its color to orange. I was having a problem with implementing the color orange here. I tried many different solutions and recommendations, but I just was having a trouble with it. And then here, after changing the color, I was going to set the ID, set the latitude, longitude, set the description, and then add it to the map. And then I was planning, if you click it on again, it would just remove itself and then come back to green. So some of the resources I used were this website where they were talking about how to add an icon and make it into a button. I used this YouTube tutorial just to see how you can do that. Then I looked up how to make a random number generator and use it to take like a random element from the list. Here were the resources that I tried to use and solve my problem. Somebody had the same question as me, and then one of the TAs said to look up a marker class. I looked up many solutions to this problem, but I just could not figure it out how to solve my color situation of my pointer. And so some of the problems that I faced were I didn't know how to set the position of the icon here. So I was fiddling with changing the linear to relative, and it was actually very easy to change it. You just had to change to translation X to translation Y to whatever position it is now. Another problem that I faced was the set on click listener was always red for some reason. And the solution was to put it inside the onCreate void method instead of like outside all the way at the bottom. That solved the major issue I was having because I couldn't test my my button feature. And then it is the orange that I still haven't figured it out. And here is my evidence that I submitted my code for MP3. Thank you for your attention.